Monomers, polymers, and macromolecules. The term macromolecule means giant molecules. There are three types of macromolecules in living organisms, namely polysaccharides, proteins, and nucleic acids. The prefix poly means many, and these molecules are polymers, meaning that they are made up of many repeating subunits that are similar or identical to each other. The subunits are referred to as monomers. They are joined together like beads in a string. Making such molecule is relatively simple because the same reaction is repeated many times. The monomers from which polysaccharides, proteins, and nucleic acids are made are monosaccharides, amino acids, and nucleotides respectively, as shown in figure 2.2. Figure 2.2 also shows two types of molecules which, although not polymers, are made up of simpler biomolecules. These are lipids and nucleotides. Natural examples of polymers are cellulose and rubber. There are many examples of industrially produced polymers such as polyester, polythene, PVC polyvinyl chloride, and nylon. All these are made up of carbon-based monomers and contain thousands of carbon atoms joined end to end. We shall now take a closer look at some of the small biological molecules and the larger molecules made from them. Organic bases, nucleotides, and nucleic acids are dealt with in chapter 6. I don't think there is much to explain here because I just explained you everything before, like monomers joined together to make polymers, like the bricks. You join many bricks to form a building. The bricks are the monomers and the building is the polymer. But the polymer is made of a single type of a monomer. Like polysaccharides polymer is made up of monosaccharides monomer. But if you look at lipids, it is made up of fatty acids and glycerol. Two types of monomers. For a polymer, the monomers must be of a single type. So lipids and even nucleotides, which are formed by monosaccharides and organic bases, are formed by two monomers. So they are not polymers, but they are macromolecules because they are giant molecules, because a lot of those two monomers join together to form that macromolecule. But nucleic acid is made up of many nucleotide monomers, so same type of monomer. That's why, yes, nucleic acids are polymers. So lipids and nucleotides are not polymers, they are just macromolecules. And why do we call proteins polypeptide? When two amino acids join together, they form a peptide bond. And if two amino acids are joined, they are called dipeptide, 3 amino acids tripeptide, 4 amino acids tetrapeptide, and so on. Polypeptides, oligopeptides, and dipeptides. Yeah. So now the thing is that how do they form the bond? That we will learn in the following lectures.